we talked in a few different videos about the user to app point conversion. And the one thing you've heard from me many times is about the IBM Magic scripts. And they're really cool. They're great. It's a set of SQL scripts that you run against your database. It does a lot of digging through the data in there and comes up with an estimate of, based upon your users today, how many app points you're going to need. That said, it's not exhaustive. All right. And for a minute, someone is going to go, well, why is it not exhaustive? IBM wrote it. Well, okay. IBM Consulting wrote them, not IBM Software. And they wrote these because they had a need. And they wrote them based upon the standard of how pretty much everybody does it, which is great. When you come to Banetti, and likely are some of our, our competitors, the other IBM partners, a lot of us good partners out there, might be the best, but we're not the only ones good. And we'll probably all tell you the same thing. Yeah, you're leaving some margin on the table there. And what we do is we then pick those up and refine those. And in that refinement, we see up to a 40% decrease in the number of app points needed. So your app point assessment is likely inflated because the standard scripts that IBM uses, they pick a stop point, right? And we say, we're going to go deeper. And that took hundreds and hundreds of hours, probably thousands of hours for us to develop that. But the result is it gives it a much more finer point on that assessment. And it saves you, the customer, a significant amount of money. Oftentimes it saves enough money to pay for the upgrade. So, this is not this is no issue with IBM and the guys that wrote this at all. Did a great job. Had they not built the foundation, we might not be doing this at all. But they did, and they did a great job, and we've extended it. And through that extension, you get a much better accuracy, higher accuracy, a better number for you. So if you're wondering what you should do where you are, then stop wondering. Call us. Shoot us an email, sales@banetti.com. Let's go. The question's not going to answer itself for you. No matter how much you lose sleep over it. So let's chat. Like, subscribe, call us, email us, sales@Banetti. Get ready with Banetti.